first method, click on start, type task manager, open this, then click on startup app. So which application is not required, just disable it, okay, like that, or disabled. Now this is enable, and just select this and disable. Terminate also not required. This is security application, so this is required. Teams in the startup apps not required. When you require these, and just open and use. Copilot also not required. Graphic you can see, enable it. This is a driver, okay. Unwanted, you just disable it, then close it. Next method, update graphic driver. So click on start, type device manager, open, then extract display adapter. So see, this is a graphic, just right click and update driver. Okay, so I already updated, that's why it's showing here. After that, close. The next method, disable Windows visual effect. So Windows key press and type run, then hit enter, then type sysdm.cpl and then hit enter. After that, click on the advanced, then click on performance setting, then select the best performance and then apply, and after that okay, and okay. Next method, run disk health. So click to start and type cmd, just right click to run as administrator, click yes, then you type chk dsk space c column space slash f space slash r, and then hit enter. Then for this yes, and after restart it will start this command for run, okay. Just close it. So you follow all the method, after that restart. Then next method, click on start, in search type cmd, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So this is command, first copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed, so it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage, like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected, okay. Now third, control V, ScanHealth, just hit enter. It will also start, yeah, you can see. When it is processing, and like you can see, it is running percentage, so do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health. Copy, Control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is a 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay.